The views are coming, but no one is subscribing. What am I doing wrong? I need to call my friend. I need help. Hey bro, you sound stressed. What's happening? I've been posting consistently, but subscribers are not coming. I'm exhausted. Calm down, bro. Come and meet me for lunch. Let's talk properly. Thank you very much. You are such a good friend. I'm coming right away. Great to see you, man. Cheers to a wonderful evening. So what's up with your YouTube channel? I feel like I'm doing everything right, but nothing is happening. Am I close or just wasting time? You're not wasting time. Sometimes you're just a few videos away from success. Keep posting. Thank you, bro. I really needed that.
As you saw, the two characters in that video were created separately, yet they were magically combined in the third scene in perfect identity and the resemblance. There were no glitches, no weird faces, no AI randomness, just perfect consistency. And in this video, I will show you exactly how I make multiple talking AI characters stay consistent throughout the entire story, even when they were generated one by one. And trust me, once you master this, your AI videos will never look the same again. Hi everyone, welcome to Cash with YouTube. My name is Innocent and I make videos on how to use AI and other legit platforms to make real cash online. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and also click on the bell notification so that when I upload fresh videos, you'll be among the first to get early notice of those videos. Please, I would like you to do that now so that you will not forget. Now that you have done that, thank you. Let's get started. I am going to be very detailed in this video so that you will understand every single step. Therefore, I'm going to be making a brand new video using brand new characters that I'm going to generate right now. You will see me do that so that you can follow along. So I want to create a short story of a newly married couple whereby the wife calls the husband from her kitchen when the husband is at his workplace, let's say a factory, and tells him to come home for lunch. So let's do that. We are going to get to ChatGPT so that it will help us to refine the idea and come up with a very beautiful prompt and script. Here on ChatGPT, I have given it my idea. Now I want to create a video of a very African fair lady who just got married, and she calls her husband, who is at work in his factory, from a very beautiful kitchen through her phone to come and eat. He drives home and eats with his beautiful wife. So I've given my idea to ChatGPT, and it's going to help us to craft a very wordy script and video prompts which we are going to feed into the second AI that will help us with the image and video generation. So when you hit enter, you will see the output the ChatGPT will give you. It says AI video prompt, newly married African couple, husband called home for lunch. So it creates scene 1, beautiful kitchen, morning/afternoon. So it gives us scene 1. This is the video prompt for scene 1. It gives us scene 2. It gives us scene 3. Scene 4, reunion at home. Scene 5, eating together. Now I'm going to leave the whole prompt in a Google document whose link I will put in the description. So go to the description now and access the Google document so that you can follow along. All the prompts that I'm going to be feeding into ChatGPT will be there. Yesterday I uploaded a video on how to make any image talk. In case you have not watched it, go ahead and watch it so that you have a better understanding of this next tool that you are going to use. The tool has the ability for text to video generation. We are not going to generate the image first. We are going to animate it in one go because the AI tool has the ability to animate in one go. We are going to ChatGPT. We shall copy the prompt and head straight to the next AI tool that we shall be using in this tutorial. So over here on ChatGPT, we select the first scene and copy it using Ctrl+C. We go over to the second AI tool. Now the second AI tool we shall be using for text to video generation is called Grok AI. Again, I've made a video on how to use it. Go ahead and check that video titled How to Make Any Image Talk. I gave a detailed information about the product. So we are just going to come over here where it says imagine and click on it. This is where the magic begins. As you can see, the video option is already selected. If you tap it, you can see image. Choose image if you want to generate image. Choose video if you want to generate video. As for the aspect ratio, we are going to leave it in 3:2. That is the middle one. So once everything is okay, we'll just go ahead and paste our prompt which we copied from ChatGPT using Ctrl+V. our prompt has been pasted. We are going to remove the introduction. This one that says scene 1, we remove it. So the prompt is a very beautiful fair-skinned African lady called Amara in her mid-20s, stands in a modern well-lit kitchen. She looks newly married and is wearing a simple but elegant home outfit. So we are going to hit enter so that the magic can begin. As we can see, the video generation has begun.
Baby, I made lunch. Please come home and eat.
As you can see, this is beautiful. This is wonderful. So we are going to download it by hitting download. It has been downloaded. So the next step is to generate the second scene. That is the husband picking his phone in his factory. So we'll come over to ChatGPT and select the second prompt for the second scene and copy it using Ctrl+C. We head over to Grok to generate the second scene. We have copied the prompt for the second scene and it says, cut to her husband, a dark, handsome African man named Chinedu in his late 20s/early 30s, wearing factory work clothes. He's inside a realistic factory, and so on and so forth. So we are going to hit enter so that the magic can continue. The magic has happened. Let's play it and see.
Give me a minute. I'm on my way.
This is awesome. This is beautiful. We are going to download it. So the third scene is when the husband drives home in his car. So we are going to ChatGPT and we are going to copy the third scene and paste it in this beautiful AI to see what it is going to give us. So this is the third scene, driving home. A shot of the husband driving home in his car. So we are just going to copy it, Ctrl+C. Over here on Grok. So please pay attention here so that you will not miss anything. Over here on Grok, in the same interface, we are going to select the old prompt and delete it completely. It has the image of the husband already. So we are going to paste the fresh prompt, Ctrl+V. So we are going to say a shot of the husband, Chinedu, because his name is Chinedu, or a shot of Chinedu, the husband. We are going to put Chinedu. So we have a shot of Chinedu, the husband, driving home in his car. Exterior shots. Car on a sunny road, quick smooth cuts, interior shot. He looks excited and happy to get home. Natural African city. So let's hit enter and see what it will give us. Guys, the magic has happened. Let's play it and see. As you can see, the face is exact. So we are going to download it. Now pay attention, guys. In case you hit on download and the download is blocked, what you need to do is to go over to the center of the video and right click. When you right click, you will see open in a new tab. Once you open it on a new tab, you will see the whole video here. So when you come to this place, these three buttons in vertical arrangement, you just click on it, you will see download. Once you hit it, your video will download. For some reason, at times when you click download on the main page, it does not download. So use this second option to download all your clips. Guys, this is getting more interesting. You are going to want to pay rapt attention so that you will not miss any part of it. Now, we need to show the guy driving home and alighting from the car. Over here on Grok, let us give it this prompt. So this is the prompt we gave the AI. Let Chinedu, the husband, alight from the car in front of a very beautiful African mansion. As you can see, it gave us a different color of the car. Let's tweak the prompt a bit and see what happens. So when I clicked generate again, it gave me this output. As you can see, the color of the car is okay, but the problem is the attire. In the previous scene, the guy driving the car home was wearing a t-shirt. Now, this one is wearing a senator. So we don't want it this way. So in order to have a perfect scene of this same guy arriving home in the same car and alighting from the car, what we need to do is to go back to that scene that we like and screenshot the parts of the video that we like and feed it back into the AI. The process is very simple. What you need to do is to play the video using your VLC media player so that you can have the video play on full screen. Once the video is playing, once you get to the parts that you want to see in the next scene, you pause it, then use sniping tool to take a picture of that scene. Then afterwards, you can merge it on CapCut and export still frame. Now here is what I mean. As this video, I have paused the video and I want to screen grab this car now. So what I need to do is to use sniping tool. This is sniping tool. Every window user has sniping tool. In case you don't know what it means, you just come to your search bar and type sniping or snipping tool. Snipping tool. Now this is the snipping tool. Once you open it, click on open. You click on plus. Once you click on plus, then you have the opportunity to select the part of the screen that you want to snipe. So once you leave it, the sniping software will take a screenshot of your video. So this is the screenshot. They want to also also take a screenshot of the guy in the car, like this one now. We also want to take the screenshot. So we take a screenshot of the guy. Once you drag and leave your mouse, the software will automatically screen grab any aspect of your video. So we have 2 clips now from the same video, which we want to use to produce the next scene. The next thing I did was to go on CapCut and combine them together. I believe you know how to do that. How did I do that? I use cropping tool to crop some part of the first clip of the car alone off, and also some part of the second screen of the guy in the car off, and I use the export frame to export it. I believe you know how to do that, but if you don't know how to do that, you can let me know in the comment section and I will show you how to do that. So this is the frame that we have from CapCut. So what we need to do is to feed it back into the AI and ask it to show this same guy alighting from this same very car. So immediately I uploaded the image into the Grok AI. This is the animation that he gave it automatically. It shows the guy in the car driving and only the car, the back of the car driving. Now let's give it the prompt that we want. Let him alight from the car in a very beautiful African mansion. When it animated it, this is the output that he gave me. I think this is okay. We have the same guy in the same attire and in the same type of car in front of a house. So we can use this. We'll just go ahead and download it by clicking on download. We have 3 more scenes and this video will be over. The next scene is where the guy actually enters into the house and greets the wife with a hug and then sit down together to eat lunch. Just 3 more scenes. So when I gave you this prompt for the guy to enter the house, see the output that he gave me. That is not what we want. So what is the way forward? The way forward is to go back to that video where he is coming out of the car and screen grab it and then feed it back into the AI and then now give it the instruction for the guy to go into the house. So this is the clip where the guy actually comes down from the car. At this point, so what we need to do now is to screen grab this and then use it to generate the next clip where the guy actually begins to enter the house. So what we need to do is to use snipping tool again, SNP. We click on open. We go ahead and screen grab this screen so it is automatically saved in our pictures. Over here on Grok AI, we tap on this icon that shows favorites. When we tap on it, we have an opportunity to bring in another video or another image. So we click on attachment. We click on upload a file. We select the file that we screen grabbed. It is loading. As usual with Grok, once you upload an image, it will automatically try to animate it according to its own intelligence. Now let's go ahead and animate it as we want by giving it this prompt. Let him enter the house smiling. We hit enter and this is the output. Let's look at it together. I think I like this. I'm going to download it. So in order to maintain consistency in the next scene, we are going to screen grab both the husband and the wife and put them side by side in the same frame and then give instruction to the AI to put them on a dining table. So we will run through that quickly and return back to normal speed. So this is our image that has been combined together using CapCut. So we are going to feed it back into the AI in order to maintain consistency. So over here on Grok AI, you click on your favorites icon, you click on upload attach image. You go ahead and choose your image. It is uploading. As usual, the AI is trying to automatically animate the image for us. So let's wait for it to finish its own automatic animation. As you can see, it shows the guy dancing and the lady pressing phone. But that's not what we want. So we are going to give it our own animation. So guys, this is where the magic happens. So let's give it this prompt. Let them meet and hug themselves in a very beautiful dining room with food on the dining table. Let's click on enter and see. Guys, did you see what I saw? This is beautiful. That image is okay. So what we need to do is to clip off the beginning part where the AI is trying to do its magic, and then we begin to select from the place where they actually meet in the beautiful dining room. So we are going to download this. If you are learning something in this video, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe and click on the bell notification icon, and leave us a comment in the comment section. Tell us that you are learning something so that we keep the channel growing. Thank you. Now let us continue. So the last scene is where they now actually sit down on the beautiful dining. So let's go back to ChatGPT and copy the last part of the scene and feed it back into the AI. So this is the last scene. We'll just copy it and go back to, now we are going to feed it direct into that same scene and see how it turns out. If we don't like the output, we can just screen grab the part where they are hugging and continue from there. But let's first of all feed it with this prompt and see what it will give us. So the prompt is they sit together at the table, laughing, eating, camera focuses on the happiness, closeness, and newlywed energy. So let's hit enter and see. As you can see, the powerful AI is able to combine the images together in a beautiful combined scene as we desire. If you want them to be in a swimming pool, the AI can also put them in a swimming pool. So the possibilities with this AI is endless. Now I'm going to combine the clips on CapCut and show you the output. So over here on CapCut, we have all our clips brought into the timeline. So we are going to just edit it and cut off the parts that we don't like. So now that we have cut off all the parts that we don't like, we can add beautiful transitions in order to make it much more smooth. Now that we have added transitions, we can add a little music to make it even better. Once you are done, you go ahead and export your work.
Baby, I made lunch. Please come home and eat.
Give me a minute. I'm on my way.
This is awesome. This is just wonderful. All these things are done without any payment. If you have any part that you don't understand, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. So this is where we come to the end of the video. Please, I have plenty of videos like this in my channel. Go to the channel and see what you can find there. And before we go, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon so that you will not miss out on videos like this when I upload them. Bye.